Think you can stick to a budget? Let's put Dave Ramsey's principles to the test. Join Money Smart Basics on this journey as we dive into Dave Ramsey's bestseller book, Total Money Makeover. Can you stick to his principles for a whole month? Let's find out together. By clicking on the affiliate link in the description below to purchase the book, you're helping support this channel at no extra cost to you and at the lowest price. Thank you for your support. Financial freedom. It's a phrase that evokes a sense of hope, security, and even excitement. But for many, it feels like an impossible dream, something unattainable in the face of mounting debt and financial uncertainty. The truth is, financial freedom is within your reach. It requires a change in mindset, a commitment to taking control of your finances, and a proven plan to guide you. This is where the Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey comes in. This book is not about get-rich-quick schemes or unrealistic promises. It's a practical, step-by-step guide to help you achieve true financial freedom. It's about taking control of your money, getting out of debt, and building a secure future for yourself and your family. It's about experiencing the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're in control of your finances, not the other way around. Ramsey's approach is rooted in common sense and financial wisdom. He doesn't sugarcoat the challenges, but he offers hope and a clear path forward. He understands the stress and overwhelm that debt can bring, and he provides practical solutions that have worked for millions. This book is your guide to breaking free from the chains of debt and stepping into a future filled with financial peace and possibility. One of the cornerstones of the Total Money Makeover is the Debt Snowball method. This powerful strategy focuses on paying off your debts, smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. While it might seem counterintuitive to tackle smaller debts first, the psychology behind this method is incredibly effective. Imagine the momentum you build with each small victory. Every time you pay off a debt, no matter how small, you gain a sense of accomplishment and motivation to keep going. This feeling of progress fuels your determination to tackle the next debt on your list, and the next, until you're completely debt-free. The Debt Snowball method is more than just a financial strategy, it's a mindset shift. It's about taking control of your finances one step at a time. It's about breaking down a seemingly insurmountable mountain of debt into manageable chunks. As you experience the thrill of paying off each debt, you'll find yourself becoming more disciplined and committed to your financial goals. This positive reinforcement creates a powerful cycle of success, propelling you towards true financial freedom. Our relationship with money is often shaped by deeply ingrained habits and beliefs. The Total Money Makeover challenges you to examine your financial habits and identify those that are holding you back. Are you prone to impulse purchases? Do you struggle with sticking to a budget? Ramsey encourages you to confront these habits head-on and replace them with healthy financial practices. This might involve tracking your spending, creating a realistic budget, and finding creative ways to cut expenses. It's about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. Changing your financial habits can be challenging, but it's essential for achieving lasting financial transformation. The book provides practical tips and strategies to help you break free from destructive patterns and develop a healthier relationship with money. Remember, financial freedom is not just about having more money. It's about having control over your finances and making choices that support your values and goals. It's about living with intention and purpose, both financially and in all areas of your life. We're bombarded with messages about money, from advertising to well-meaning advice from friends and family. Unfortunately, many of these messages are based on common money myths that can sabotage our financial well-being. The Total Money Makeover exposes these myths and provides a dose of financial reality. One pervasive myth is that debt is a normal part of life. Ramsey challenges this notion, arguing that debt is a tool that should be used with extreme caution, if at all. He emphasizes the importance of living within your means and avoiding unnecessary debt. Another myth is that you need a credit card to build credit. Ramsey debunks this myth, explaining that you can build credit responsibly through other means, such as paying bills on time and maintaining a steady employment history. He encourages readers to break free from the credit card trap and embrace a cash-based system. By recognizing and rejecting these harmful money myths, you can make more informed financial decisions and avoid common pitfalls. Section 5. Preparing for the unexpected, the emergency fund. Life is full of surprises and not all of them are pleasant. Unexpected expenses such as car repairs, medical bills, or job loss can derail even the most carefully crafted budget. The Total Money Makeover stresses the importance of building an emergency fund to cushion the blow of these unforeseen events. An emergency fund provides a financial safety net, allowing you to handle unexpected expenses without going into debt. Ramsey recommends starting with a smaller goal of $1,000, then gradually building up to 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Having an emergency fund not only provides financial security, but also brings peace of mind. Knowing you have resources available to handle unexpected challenges can significantly reduce stress and anxiety. It empowers you to face the future with confidence, knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. Section 6. Investing in your future retirement planning. Retirement might seem far off, but it's never too early to start planning. The Total Money Makeover emphasizes the importance of investing in your future by saving for retirement. Ramsey recommends investing 15% of your household income in retirement accounts, such as 401(k)s and Roth IRAs. He advocates for a diversified investment approach, suggesting mutual funds with a proven track record. Ramsey's advice on retirement planning is straightforward and actionable, providing a roadmap for securing your financial future. By starting early and investing consistently, you can take advantage of the power of compound interest. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow, potentially leading to a more comfortable and enjoyable retirement. Retirement planning is not just about securing your financial future, it's about creating options and freedom in your later years. Section 7. Building a strong foundation, marriage and money. Money is a common source of conflict in marriages. The Total Money Makeover dedicates a section to addressing this critical aspect of financial health. Ramsey emphasizes the importance of open communication, shared financial goals, and teamwork in managing money as a couple. He provides practical tips for couples to navigate financial discussions, create a budget that works for both partners, and work together towards shared financial goals. Ramsey's advice is rooted in the belief that a united front when it comes to finances can strengthen a marriage and reduce stress. The book encourages couples to view their finances as a shared responsibility, working together to achieve financial peace and security. By addressing financial issues head-on and fostering open communication, couples can build a stronger foundation for their relationship. Section 8. Navigating the college cost maze. The rising cost of college can be daunting for families. The Total Money Makeover provides guidance on how to plan and save for college without jeopardizing your financial future. Ramsey encourages parents to start saving early, explore affordable college options, and consider alternatives to traditional four-year degrees. He emphasizes the importance of avoiding student loan debt whenever possible, advocating for scholarships, grants, and part-time work as ways to minimize college costs. Ramsey's advice on college planning is practical and empowering, providing families with options and strategies to make informed decisions. By approaching college costs strategically and exploring all available options, families can make responsible choices that support their children's education without incurring crippling debt. Section 9. The Total Money Makeover: more than just money. While the Total Money Makeover focuses on personal finance, its message extends beyond dollars and cents. It's about taking control of your life, making conscious choices, and living with intention. It's about aligning your spending with your values and freeing yourself from the weight of financial stress. The book's principles can be applied to all areas of life, encouraging readers to live with purpose, generosity, and gratitude. It's about recognizing that true wealth encompasses more than just financial abundance. It's about living a fulfilling and meaningful life. Section 10. Living with Purpose and Generosity. One of the most inspiring aspects of the Total Money Makeover is its emphasis on generosity. Ramsey believes that true financial freedom includes the ability to give back to others. He encourages readers to incorporate generosity into their financial plans, whether it's donating to charities, supporting local businesses, or helping those in need. By shifting our focus from solely accumulating wealth to using our resources to make a positive impact, we can experience a deeper sense of purpose and fulfillment. Generosity is not just about giving money, it's about giving our time, talents, and resources to causes we care about. When we live with generosity, we not only make a difference in the lives of others, but we also enrich our own lives in the process. Section 11. Take control of your future. The Total Money Makeover is more than just a personal finance book, it's a call to action. It's a challenge to take control of your finances, your life, and your future. It's about embracing a mindset of possibility and believing that financial freedom is within your reach. If you're ready to transform your finances, break free from debt, and build a secure future, this book is for you. It's time to stop making excuses, take responsibility for your financial well-being, and start living with intention and purpose. The journey to financial freedom might not be easy, but it's worth it. With determination, discipline, and the right guidance, you can achieve your financial goals and create a life of abundance, security, and generosity. The first step is up to you. Are you ready to take control? Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. If budgeting feels like a puzzle, don't worry, we've got a piece for you. Here's a quick tip. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers and watch your savings grow without lifting a finger. Start small and stay consistent. You got this. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.